for watching. We're going to play a little fun course here. We're going to do Chambers Bay, but we're going to play from the junior tees. We're going to do what? Stimp on 12.
We're going to make it hard.
We're going to make it hard, so it's going to be like 3,500 yards, but it's super hard. So
yeah, we're going to do Stimp 12. We're going to do...
firm fairways.
Yeah, firm fairways, soft greens, gusty wind.
Yeah, super windy.
So it'll be interesting. I think the juniors are what, 3,500 yards? 3,500 yards. So we'll see how we score under the tough conditions and see who throws a club first. I registered that one.
That's not bad at all.
The firm fairways might help.
Might get there.
I kept it out of the wind. Oh, this is gonna be ugly, man. These
Fairways.
forgot the Chambers Bay is just like disgusting. Well, that's getting there.
Oh, I hit that so hard. Just straight right to left wind or what?
Oh yeah.
I thought it was into my face.
I mean, it was into your face, but like,
I hit that ball so hard.
yeah, like you maxed it. I don't know if you maxed out Garmin or if,
I think it's GS Pro.
yeah, I think the 170 is the highest, cause like, yeah, there's no way.
That was like 180 probably.
Oh yeah.
Try to hit the ball high so it'll land soft. That's
Nice
good.
birdie. Nice bird.
That's an easy bird. How's that a birdie?
This is par 5.
Shouldn't that be an eagle?
You went into the two hits.
Oh,
and
and
then
two? I thought.
yeah.
Oh yeah, you're
Oh,
right. Oh no,
Oh god.
that's not gonna work on these greens.
Oh god. And there still may be a birdie. I'm lucky that landed in the rough. Just bleed.
Look at us, -1.
Yeah.
Okay, 206 side wind.
Right? Like,
It's almost like you gotta play this link style. Like you gotta land it in the fairway or roll up.
right into. Look at the wind change.
Yeah, that's aggressive.
Wow, that's your ball. I'm not doing it.
I guess changing between a 7-iron and a 5-iron.
I'm hitting a 5 right now. Not the best, but it might because it. Oh, just don't. Oh man, that's gonna be a 3-putt.
Firm fairways.
Oh fuck.
Nice par.
Oh, I came back. The Stim 12 really helped.
25 into your face.
Oh, that was hammered. Leaking a little bit. Did you hit the 5?
Oh, how is it so much club?
You freaking clobbered it.
234 carry raw.
Did you hit the 5?
Yeah.
Oh, you nutted that. Alright, have the same distance. See if I can blade it again.
No blade, but a little poly. And that one's gonna be hard to hit today. Oh, good. Wind behind.
Yeah, I'll pop it up.
No green. Oh, I hammered.
I think, but it's out of the sound. Yeah. But
Sit.
the Stimp 12, like,
You just can't get it to sit.
hey, we're still minus. Alright, let's see.
Oh gosh, like this one. Oh my gosh, right into your face. Like you put a wedge, like a pitching wedge up in the air.
I'm doing it. I'm doing a full swing pitch.
I don't know if it gets there.
I gotta aim this. I got it. Oh no, I pushed that so bad.
Oh, the wind just took it. The wind was was going the other way. No, that's
No, I was going that way.
yeah, overplay a draw or a push draw.
That might be really, really, really good.
Sit. Spin.
I mean, I'd still rather have yours.
12-yard downhill. Deep balls, yeah.
Deep rough.
I might not be able to get mine to stay on the green. Oh, I'll give it my free cut.
Look at it still roll. It might roll off.
Yeah, I don't think I can get this to stick on the green.
This might be playing like
2 yards.
5. It's pretty flat. That might be your saving grace.
Do you know how Garmin treats you on these lessons?
No, wrong one.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna aim it to like over here and just hope I can just stick it within my foot.
Sim golf.
Take the bogue.
Oh, here we go.
Wow. Why does it say 160 to there?
All right, so that's a little wrong.
Oh yeah, so that other one's wrong. This is 183 to the pin.
I think it's 180, not 280.
Yeah. That's very. I was about to have 4 iron.
I was looking at it. Yeah.
Look at this wind. Fuck. A 9.
It's still right.
Oh. Should write that down and send it to the course leader. So if it draws.
Is it enough club?
Oh,
Oh,
what a shot.
this might be an Albie. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Come on.
Look at oh.
What, eek? A little 8-iron eek.
Look. This is a fun shot.
That's good. Oh, it might not be enough.
No, it wasn't enough.
Oh, right into the bank, probably. Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
it's going to sit.
It's a bogey. Oh. I need a combination between those two chips.
Blasted. Come on, 12 stimp.
There's a potential this roll. Oh, no, there you go. All right, 3-shot lead.
Alright, this holds longer than the last one.
Double check it.
225.
But see, that one actually looks 225.
Into the. It's a little bit hard. That bunker, that was kind of scary.
I gotta double check this. I don't have.
Well, yeah, I think this one's more accurate. This is what's accurate. But I think this is like a slide that I can put up.
Mm.
Big draw.
It was a par 5, so I think it was supposed to be
I
280.
think it was supposed to be. Man,
So is that 225?
am I on a green?
I think it's a fairway.
Oh yeah.
Fuck it, right?
That's so weird.
That's so bad.
That's so bad. It's okay.
So, I was like, I almost missed that ball. I almost missed it. Like, I gotta go right over the bunker.
That's, the thing is, you have to land it like.
I gotta open up at 60 and I gotta take a full swing. Fuck it, right?
Ceiling ball. This might be good. Oh, I don't know. That looks so good. That is win.
Yeah, yours is interesting.
I didn't push it off.
Nice shot.
Pick apart.
I can't do this shot right now, so.
That should be okay. Oh, nice.
Good recovery.
A little sandy up and down.
Yeah. I'll take a par save.
213 with help.
A lot of help, too.
I don't even know if it's a 7 iron, but I feel like 8's not enough.
A lot of it, too, depends if you put it, like, how high do you put it up. If you put it up in the air.
Oh, go in the hole. Sit. Sit. Driving greens on par 4 is like no big deal.
Was that a 7?
A little chunky 7.
There's a lot of land in here, so it doesn't have to quite go as far as yours.
You get a fairway.
Well, I found the fairway.
Good layup.
Oh, just bad.
You haven't played in a week, so.
Just bad. No. I kept it under the radar. Oh. Okay, stop trying to fucking do things. Let's just have a nice swing.
That's the key to golf, folks. Oh, good shot. Just have a nice swing.
Just stop fucking trying to mess around with your swing that doesn't need to be messed around with. Trying to get too cute with the ball.
Uphill 20 yards.
Our whole goal into this video was to practice our short irons, and we are not practicing our short irons.
Oh no.
What do you mean, oh no?
Not chunky.
Oh,
Get
great
off
putt.
the green. Stay off the. Oh, no.
Look at that.
I'll take a spin back. I need some extra distance.
It is giving it to you. It's still going.
Oh no.
So there's a little bit of a false front there.
No wonder it's uphill 20.
Just a little bit.
It's all at the end.
Like, what do I...
Just a good. I think you need to hit like a 4 iron.
I literally don't think my forearm goes any further than my 5.
This speaks more to your swing club. Just don't do anything fancy, folks.
Just don't hit it either. I wanted to work on my wedges. I wanted to work on my wedges. You can almost take a full 60 now. Uh-oh. That's going to join your ball.
Come join.
Look at that spin on that.
Firm fairways and 12.
Oh my god.
Bye-bye.
And I actually had a lot of spin on that.
Yep, that's rough. Play a little bump and run. Oh, look at that false front.
Oh, stay. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Oh, give me back the ball. I'm back further.
Gives you more chance to hit it harder. Skinny it.
It's gotta get back there.
Yeah, you gotta get past the. That's a good shot.
Not really. Oh, look. Oh, now it doesn't want to spin.
Doesn't
Double
wanna spin
bogey.
back.
Jesus, fuck. I love golf. I love golf. I love golf. Playing from the juniors, I'm plus. Nice shot.
Oh, I just rolled through.
That's why you're a lower handicap.
I'm not.
Outdoors you are.
Outdoors, not in the sim.
Look at this. Look at this.
Give me that yellow.
That's bullshit. I'm getting slaughtered. That's a fucking slaughter.
Look at this. Okay, but the thing says 269. These yardages are all messed up. What is it actually?
I think 269 is correct.
Yeah.
269 is correct.
So don't hit driver.
Oh man. I wish it wasn't. I wish we were into it so I could hit driver.
I want to hit driver. We're trying to be working on our irons and we're hitting. Want to hit driver.
You have the long clubs for it. This plays into your game way more than mine. Not that my wedges are any good right now either.
And that hybrid is rolling.
Should have aimed it a little bit, but I'm in prime location for it to spin back to me.
Thanks, Carmen.
I think it's, I don't know. I think it just doesn't like your swing.
I didn't like that last swing very much either. Anyway, so
I think that one was better.
oh yeah. I don't know if my last one gets into this or not. Oh, nice shot.
Stop. Oh, roll back. Wouldn't that
be a chip in?
Wouldn't that be something?
Look at Edmonton taking a eagle. Edmonton take a 4-minute major with 4 minutes left.
Good. Ooh, I got the tee box. Look at this.
87 into the fan. Damn, where's this? 75 plus. I think it's, I don't know, but like if you throw a wedge up there, it's gonna come back to you.
Like so much is just like how you hit it.
75.
Oh, fuck it. Just trust this.
It's gonna spin so much.
Oh, I hit that good.
Oh, yeah.
56.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about.
Oh, I was trying so hard to spin back. I could have taken, if I would have just taken just a little bit off of it. Oh no. That's gone.
Come on, wind. Bring it back to me.
Well, there's OB. You found it. Oh.
Just hitting out of the deep rough into a short-sided with wind behind. This is
It's okay.
what you dream of.
I got a 9-yard chip. So, like,
it doesn't matter for you.
oh my god. I might make up some strokes.
This might go in the hole. 23 with wind behind deep. Just regular rough. Sit. See if I make a bogey. That's probably a par 3. That's probably a double bogey. Oh gosh. Double bogey on a junior course.
Here's my time to shine.
Can make up some strokes here.
Yep.
That's good.
Whoa.
That's a mully.
Yeah. Just shoot
The
straight.
ball hits the laser. Oh, I don't know if you can now.
I'll live with it if it's a bogey, but I'm gonna definitely try.
What? You are +2.
Was I?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize you were -5.
Oh yeah. I was taking off.
Oh well.
Yeah.
All right. Well, looks like that's how we end the front 9. So yeah, we got I'm at +1. Donovan's at -3. Yeah. Not much to say. We're shitting the bed on a
Oh,
junior
I'm
course.
-3.
You're -3 on a junior course, and you just double bogey on a par 3, 87 yards. Let's not go cheering.
Okay.
Once again, though, South Chambers Bay front 9, difficult settings. So we have stimp 12, firm greens, but like as you can see, the wind's just howling. So seems to be 20 miles per hour in our face, whatever way we go. So Donovan's leading by 4 strokes. Remember, we have our giveaway. Once we hit 100 subscribers on YouTube, we are going to give away some personalized golf balls. So remember to subscribe, hit the notification button, share it to all your friends, family, spam them, email, Instagram, send everything to them. We want all the subscribers. Yeah, that's I think that's the front 9.
Thanks, everyone.